Hey all you lovely girls and everyone, and welcome to my channel My Wacky World. My name is Ramandeep and today's video is a special video. Although all videos are special, but this is like very little more special than the normal videos. So today's video is a video where I would be showing you my shopping haul from, guess what? Yay! NYX! Yay! I was like so happy. You know, there was a NYX, there was a launch of NYX store here in Mumbai in Bandra, Shoppers Stop, and I was like very excited to go over there, and it was like a very nice experience. But there were some, kind of what you can say, drawbacks also in that launch of the new store of NYX in Bandra. So I would be talking a little about the store and how things happen, and then I would be showing you my shopping haul for that. Alright, so first first things first, this is a Bandra shopper store, and it was like from last 1 week it was, they were advertising various contests on the Facebook. If you would be wearing black and pink of NYX color, then you would be getting goodies. First 100 people would be getting goodies, and many other contests like this. And now what happened is that I went to the store, Shopper Stop in Bandra, and when I went there, I went there around 9 o'clock in the morning, and there was a huge queue. So I was like, okay, I would not be certainly in first 100 people, because there were many girls as well as boys who were standing in the queue already. And later on I came to know that some of the people, they were standing since 6 o'clock in the morning to get the goodies. Wow, 6 o'clock in the morning to get the goodies. Okay, so then obviously it was supposed to get open at 10 o'clock, which didn't happen. Then it was like we were just crawling in the lane. Maybe first 100 people, they might have got the goodies, I'm not sure about that, but what I heard was that only first 8 to 10 people, they got the goodies. I might be wrong, but still what I heard over there, this is what I'm telling you. And people were not happy, as the advertisements were put on Facebook about the goodies and contest and all, but somehow no, they were like no goodies at all. They said that you would be showered with goodies and all that stuff for first 100 people. It wasn't there. And obviously people who were in queue, as it was moving at very slow speed, so all the girls who were there waiting since morning, they were getting aggravated, and they asked one of the manager, even I was standing over there, and they asked the manager, one of lady manager, that we have been waiting for such a long time. So she was like, yeah, but yeah, if you'll go inside, you'll not come empty handed, and there are certain discounts inside. But there were no discounts. There were no discounts at all. What was the discount was that if you purchase the goodies for 5,000 bucks, you would be getting this kit, this NYX kit. This was only the offer which the NYX people were offering at that time. Somehow I felt a little sad, because you should not publicize something which you can't fulfill. If you advertise something which is like you would be getting showered, you would be showered with goodies, and it wasn't like people were not getting even a single lipstick. And one more thing, when we entered the store, this is what we got. Like, I'm not complaining or something like that, but this is what we got when we entered the store. This choker and this chocolate. This is NYX people, India. If you're hearing, no, at least you should have given, say a flower or something like that. Just a choker and this chocolate, no. People were coming from, they were coming to your store, they were expecting something more out of your store, which was certainly not fulfilled. You have to work on your publicity and advertisements, NYX India people. Next time, wherever if you would be opening the store, please mention in the contest clearly what you wanted. I went to a guy, I told him that I'm wearing black and pink. No, there was a contest going on. Then he said, ma'am, that contest is closed now, it was for such and such time. I said, no, the time was not mentioned over there. If you guys are today is the store opening day, the contest should actually be for the whole day. And nowhere on the Facebook it was written that it's for first 2 hours or first 3 or 4 hours or something like that. And he said, no ma'am. Then when I told him that I have purchased something for around 6,000, he was like, okay ma'am, let me see what I can do for you. And then he gave me this. I was like, okay, fine, this is what you get in NYX, telling them that you have purchased something for 6,000, only then you can get this. But this is not again correct. But let me show you this. I'm very very happy that I have got this. So let me now share the products, because I don't want this video to be a long video. So from here my NYX shopping haul starts. So yeah, first is this kit which I got when I told them that I have purchased for 6,000 bucks. Please guys, consider that I'm wearing black and pink as well, so they give me this. So this is a zipper. You can open this and it's like this, and I don't think there's enough space in this. It's only that some 1 or 2 lipsticks can come inside this, or your compact, or very less items can come inside this bag. But still I like the lips thing on this. Okay, so this is the first thing which I got for free, and I have damaged my pocket to large extent. When I went there, I was not at all it was not at all planned that I would be purchasing the amount for such a high kind of amount, but still I did that. Okay, let me show you the stuff now. I would be opening it in front of you, and these are few items which I was like waiting for. First I'll show you the lipsticks which I have purchased. I have purchased 2 of the lipsticks. First is this lip crayon. It's NYX Simply Vamp lip cream, and it is SV04 shade number. It's for 3 grams and it retails for 500 rupees, and it's a beautiful shade, I must say. Let me swatch it for you. Alright, so this is the shade, a beautiful cherry, not cherry, a berry kind of color. Nice shade, very beautiful shade, and it's for 3 grams. So this is the first purchase, the lipstick which I have purchased. Then this is the second lip cream which I have purchased, and this is under the name Canes. People who use NYX products, they must be aware of this color of the lipstick. It's a beautiful nude color. Let me swatch it for you. It comes like this. I would be having a separate video in which I would be applying it and then showing you the lipsticks, because some of the lipsticks I have ordered online as well. Once I receive them, I'll do a lipstick swatch as well on my lips. So this is the beautiful color. the shade. Another very creamy kind of lipstick, mattish creamy kind of lipstick. So it retails for this is for 600 rupees and it's for 8 ml. Alright, and coming now to the face thing, I have purchased Stay Matte foundation as well. This is for 900 rupees and it's 35 ml. It's under the shade of Ivory. Strange thing happened with me. There was a lady on the counter. I asked her about the Ivory shade. She said that, you know, in India, Ivory, you're looking out for Ivory shade. I don't think Ivory shade will suit you. And I was like, no, I wear Ivory shade. Most of my foundations are of Ivory shades. She showed me some of the shades of the foundation, and I was like still insisting that no, show me the Ivory shade. Then she showed me the Ivory shade, and this was the shade which actually, you know, was very much matching my skin. So she was like, oh God, in India I have found someone who is having Ivory shade. This is the first Ivory shade, you know, we are selling in India. And I was like, okay, are you giving me any kind of discount or something like that? If that's so, no ma'am, I won't be able to give you discount. So this was like, I said, okay, fine, no issues, anyways, I have to purchase it. So this is NYX Stay Matte but not flat liquid foundation, and I have heard nice reviews about this. Let me swatch a little on my hand for you, show you the consistency. It's like a normal foundation consistency, and see, a very little foundation works so nice on your skin and it blends on your skin nicely. Like on camera you must be finding it little lighter, but once it gets it blends in your skin, it takes up the skin color, the color of your skin. So this is the way, and it's like not there's no smell or anything like that. Fragrance, no fragrance, nothing. So yeah, this was the foundation, and I hope I would be doing a separate video for this, showing you the makeup using this foundation. And yes, the next product is the product I have. It was just a random purchase. I was just going through all the purchase over there, and I got to see this NYX HD finishing powder. I don't have any finishing powder, so I just thought to purchase it. It is 8 grams and it's for 825 rupees. And yeah, let me show it to you. It comes up in this kind of package. It opens up like this. Yes, so it's like this. This is the base thing, and let me show you the texture as well. This is the texture, and I think it blends very well on your skin, giving it a nice finishing kind of touch. It's really very soft on skin. So yeah, this is the next purchase which I have made from NYX, and sorry about this thing. Okay, alright, let me go ahead, and this is my favorite. Believe me guys, this is my favorite. I'm showing you this, and I'm sure you'll also love it. Let me show you now without any further delays. Okay, this is it not coming out? Okay, this is the ombre blush from NYX. It retails for 1200 rupees. 1200 rupees, man. Yeah. Okay, so it is 8 grams. Let me show you really fast. It comes in it's like ombre blush. That is, it comes in 2 shades, 2 very beautiful shades. This is the outer packaging. You just open it like this, and this is how it looks. It's gorgeous. It's just gorgeous, really gorgeous. This is the pinkish shade, and let's swatch the other one. This is how it comes on your face. Little you know, brownish, orangish, and the pinkish shade. Let me show you upper one. This is how the upper one is, skin color, and it comes out so nicely on your skin. It is so pigmented. I feel like applying it right away on my cheeks right now, but no, I would be doing a separate video for this. So this is the next purchase I have made, and this is Instaflame 0B03, sorry, OB03, the shade number, and the name is Instaflame, and I just love this blush. It's my favorite. Alright, so this was the blush, and let me show you this now. See how pigmented it is. I don't think you would be able to see how well it has gone. So okay, next purchase. Next I have purchased this jumbo eye pencil, and it's again shade number is 617, Ice Mocha, Ice Mocha, whatever. So this is like jumbo crayon, eye crayon kind of thing. Let me open it. Okay, it comes like this. It opens up like this. It's 550 rupees, for 550 rupees, and for 5 grams. And let me tell you one more thing, the shelf life of all the products is around 2 years. So this is the cap. Let me open it. It gets open. This is the pencil, and let me swoosh it. Beautiful. See how beautiful, how gorgeous this shade is. Seriously waiting for this to apply on my eyes now. Yeah. Okay, so this was the eye pencil which I have purchased, and last but not the least, this was my it was just at the last moment. I first bought that illuminating foundation, or what you call it. I purchased that, and while I was billing, I was like, no, I'm missing something. So I just returned it back because my budget was like almost extra over. So then instead of that, I got this. This is the eyeshadow palette, and it's by the name Dreamcatcher palette, Dusk Till Dawn, and this is the shades. These are the shades, 3 shades. I'll open it for you. It retails for 1,225 rupees and 16 gram, and okay, these are the shades. Such lovely gorgeous shades. I just love them. Okay, these are the shades, and one thing which I don't like about this palette is that they don't have any mirror over here, neither they have any kind of brush, and there's a little kind of fragrance in this, but it's not the fragrance which you can't which is actually the fragrance of cosmetics. It's nice thing, but somehow for 1,225 rupees you are giving the eyeshadows, that too without the mirror and the brush. That is not good. But anyhow, I just love these shades. I will certainly be doing a separate video of this, showing you the eye makeup on this, and swatch of all the colors in this palette. So yes guys, so the total purchase which I made on that day was around 5,000 something, and after that purchase I got this box free. Yeah, this was the box I was like waiting for. I got this pinky brown box free, and let me show you this box as well. It has got a mirror over here, and see, there are no plates or nothing, like it's just an empty box without any plates inside them. This is the zipper which you can just close and open. But this is not something which you know you can carry while traveling, because it's like a little heavy and it takes a lot of space in your travel bag. But certainly, you know, you can keep your stuff in this, and I really love this. So yeah, this was my shopping from NYX Cosmetics, which I have done from Bandra store, which has recently been launched in Mumbai. So I hope they would be launching, opening many stores in Mumbai now. And yeah, just all the best to NYX people, NYX people. Go ahead and you know, open the stores, you know, in you know, kind of many malls and all that stuff, so that we could go ahead and purchase some things from your store. But please, when you do some kind of ad or contest online, please do adhere to that. You know, people are coming to your store, might be for the goodies, but you know, you should fulfill what you say. That's it, guys, that's it. I hope you like the video and you have loved whatever I have purchased from NYX. And yeah, that's it for now. If you like the video, please do give it a thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my channel for more of such videos, for more of such shopping hauls. And till next time, take care, bye.